forgot about the crab. See my house? Today I'll show you the disappearing coin. Now watch the trick. This is my favorite magic trick. All you need is a clear glass, some paper, same paper again, and a quarter. So now I'll show you the trick. Abracadabra. It's gone! What? Now let's bring it back. Abracadabra. It's back! For this craft, you'll need a clear glass. The smaller, the easier. Then, trace out a circle of the glass and stick it on. Then get another paper and a quarter and make sure you don't do this. And when you're taking it back, make sure you don't do this or else they'll see the magic. You'll see the cup? Don't tell the viewers, only me and you know. And this necklace gives me powers. Let me show you again. Abracadabra! Let's bring it back. Abracadabra! Abracadabra! First step for the magic trick is pour some water into a bowl. Be careful. Start by pouring some pepper, not too much, and a teaspoon. Let's separate the pepper. See? For this trick, put dish detergent on your finger and put it in the pepper. Fun time! Whoever squirrel eats the grass, they're gonna have a lot of salt in it. Now I will separate the water. See? It's separating. Why did it not work? We wasted so much black pepper. Subscribe to our channel.